Hello guys, welcome to my part 2 of finding Totient video. So I hope you guys already watched my video 1 of how to find the Totient. If you didn't, please go and watch it. It's right here. You can follow the link and watch it. So in this video we are going to discuss case B and case C. First I thought to make 2 videos, then I am like, okay, it's kind of short. Case C is very easy, so I decided to combine both into one video so we can wrap it up the topic of finding Totient after this video. So let's start the video. So basic 3 cases. First case we already discussed. If n equal p times q, then totient of n equal p minus 1 times q minus 1. That is, we already discussed in my first video. So in this video I'm going to discuss case B and case C. So if n equal a to the power of b, then totient of n equal a to the b minus a to the b minus 1. If n is a prime number, then totient of n equal n minus 1. Well, what that means? Well, we are going to find out by doing a couple of examples. You can follow. I think you will able to understand what this means after you finish the video. So first let's do one example based on case B. If n equal a to the power of b, then totient of n equal a to the b minus a to the b minus 1. So totient of 81. How to find totient of 81? In this case, n equal 81 and n 81 equals 3 to the power of 4. So in this scenario, the tricky part is to finding out this 3 to the power of 4, 81 equals 3 to the power of 4. So that is the tricky part here. So if you're able to find out that tricky part, that number is the power of something, then you are like done. So based on our property 2, if n equal a to the power of b, then totient of n equal this, a to the power of b minus a to the power of b minus 1. So totient of 81 equal 3 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 minus 1. So this all go in this bracket parenthesis. So that means 3 to the power of 4 equal 81 and 3 to the power of 4 minus 1, which is 3 to the power of 3. 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27. So if you do the math, you will get 54. That's it. That's simple as that. So we have to come up with this line, 81 equal 3 to the power of 4. Then we can plug in that in this formula and we can get the number. Let's do one more example. Find the totient of 64. So n equals 64 in this case, and 64 equal 2 to the power of 6. And so based on property 2, we can do that. So totient of 64 equal 2 to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 6 minus 1. 2 to the power of 6 equals 64, and 2 to the power of 6 minus 1 equals 32. So 64 minus 32 equals 32. That's it. It's very simple and straightforward. The tricky part is here. You have to come up with that. And if you did, you're done. So our case 3. If n is a prime number, then totient of n equal n minus 1. Oh, I am guessing everybody knows what is a prime number is, but still I'm kind of reviewing the high school stuff here. Prime number is a whole number which have to greater than 1, and that's first condition, have to greater than 1, and it have only 2 factors. Those are 1 and the number itself. So basically prime number is greater than 1 and it only have to have 2 factors, the number itself and 1. So there are different ways to find the prime number, different tests, primality tests. You can use whatever ways you want to. I am not going to discuss that in this video. Maybe later I will make one video about primality test, but not in this video. So yeah, let's get started with our example. How to find the totient of 11. n equal 11 in this case. So 11 is a prime number. So based on our property 3, if n is a prime number, totient of n equal n minus 1. So totient of 11 equal 10. Simple. It's very easy as that. do one more example. Have to find the totient of 29. 29 is a prime again. N equal 29. 29 is a prime based on property 3. If n is a prime, then totient of n equal n minus 1. So totient of 29 equal 28. There we go. So just review the basic three cases again. If n equal p times q, then totient of n equal p minus 1 times q minus 1 that we discussed in my first video. So this is the second one that we discussed here. N equal a to the power of b, then totient of n equal a to the power of b minus a to the power of b minus 1. And if n is a prime, you know what to do. Totient of n equal n minus 1. It's very simple. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you like the video, try to like and subscribe. And if you have any more doubts, I am doing discussing couple of things in this blog of mine. I'm doing Java tutorials, not tutorials actually, but I am posting a couple of stuff here, so you can visit this website. And if you have any question, you can post the website, or you can post in comments. I will try to make videos. So this is basically homework help website. Okay, if you want to visit the website, you can. I'm planning to do my next video on this topic, that is modular exponentiation. So see you on next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.